got my name all drilled, check the relevance. Pussy drop this song about me, he get found without his vest. And off a bag by my little cousin, they faking, they'll call it quick. They make me mad enough, I spit through there myself, say the wrong shit. Might still sit when
Let's get it. Throw that mask on when you jump out first, you better blast. Yeah, we don't like slow shit on his, them switches fast. Ain't gon' lie, the city hot with strikers, they don't last. When you pop in with your killers, you better check your gas. We don't party on other blocks, they fuck with other ops. Let's get it. Then come around like you gang, they got your brother shot. You say his name inside a song, they got your brother hot. Let's get it. Then leave him hanging without a lawyer, that shit dumb as fuck. You come outside without your gun, little boy, you dumb as fuck. Ain't no quick run to the store, they pop out, value up. I told my PO through the gate that I get high as fuck. She asked me how do I get, I told her hashed up. My brother told me get some property, I kept getting glocky. I told him I only drink vodka, he said I'm getting conscious. All them bitches wanna fuck me, I don't get them money. One bitch thought I told her, yeah, I said you better block me. He survived one to the head, but it fucked up his body. You think he...
Hello guys, how was your trading week? We have 18 people live right now. We're gonna do the usual. We're gonna wait till we have 70 to 100 people live, then we'll start doing analysis. But before that, you can put that what pair you want in the comment section. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment for the algorithm. Okay, if you have any questions, how was your trading week, by the way? If you have any pairs you want analysis for before NFP starts, NFP is going to be in the next 12 minutes, no, 22 minutes. We're going to do that live here. Okay, we're going to look at some pairs, we're going to look at some signals, we're going to do analysis on some trades that are open here. Let's wait till we have more people here. For today, the pairs that I want to look at are, let's see, can you guys still hear me? gbpjpy, USD card, gold. Not a lot of pairs, but if you have any pair that you want analysis for or have any questions, put that in the comment section. Some people always come in late and put it last minute. We don't do that. Once we've started doing the analysis, you'll probably have to wait till the next stream if you put the pair in late. Hello, Traders Kingdom. You said AUD USD. All right, we'll add AUD USD. Are you in a trade on AUD USD? You said buy. Buy what? You said good day, everyone. Hello, Desi Soft. Hello, Tejas. I hope I didn't butcher your name. You said gold. Okay, gold is already on the list. Someone says NZD card. Okay, that's a weird pair to be trading. But are you in a trade on NZD card, or what is the question? We're 27 right now. Let's wait till we have 70 more. Okay, someone says hello, P Torres says gbpjpy. gbpjpy is already in the list. Hello, Tuan. Let's wait till we have 70 to 100 people on the list on the live, and then we'll begin doing analysis on these pairs before NFP. NFP, you know, I'm not really a fan of news. I always try not to trade news. Yeah, so let's wait till we have more people on the live stream, and then we'll begin our analysis. We should be back. Let's take a break, and then we should be back. Okay, someone says US 30. I don't really do US 30, but we'll add it after gold. Oof, I really have to do all this analysis quickly because we have like less than 20 minutes before NFP starts. You say hello, traders. Hello, Namania Peter. Hello, Aditya. Hello, Vault Shade. GBP NZD. Okay. We'll do GBP and ZD after gold. Okay. You said you're not in any position yet. Okay. Let's just take a quick break and we'll be right back very quickly. Even if people have not finished joining yet, we will start so we can start working on, we can get.
Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do.
As I'm doing NZD card very quickly because we have limited time. NZD card is in this zone. Okay, for crossing out for NZD card, guys, we're gonna try to do all this analysis very quickly. So we have 0. Let's just say 0.8.
Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't want to talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want to lie back. Say you got
right now, NZD card is bullish.
Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they want to be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch is 09. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't want to talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want to lie back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't want to talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want to lie back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at.
Oof. Okay. So trading view, let me see. I'm getting this. It looks like it's in some kind of consolidation, right? It feels like, I don't know, what's wrong with trading view? Let's see. Guys, I don't know what is wrong with this trading view. I just don't know. Reload, of course, reload. NZD card. Trading view is wasting time. Why is trading view doing this? All right, so where were we? What's wrong with trading there? And you know, time is going. We have NFP in about 14 minutes. What is this? Maybe there are too many people using their website. Come on. This is so annoying. Final. So, what? It's still not fixed. All right, so we need it to escape this zone. If it escapes this zone, it can continue to go long all the way to, let's say, 0.83, right? But if it goes short, we can expect it to go all the way down to 0.81. Okay, so what will happen during NFP is we need to see if it's going to either break the low here or the high, or if it can't break the low or the high, it's going to stay in this consolidation, bounce down, bounce up again. All right, so what's next on the list? Very quickly, AUUSD, and we have gbpjpy. Let me put my software so that it will give me analysis quickly. Okay. Okay, we're seeing bullish move on AUUSD. You know, it doesn't look like you know, there's any entry so far. It has reached a point where, you know, if it pushes up, I don't expect much movement from it pushing up again, you know. But with NFP, even if it drops all the way down, what you want to see is this area. See, trading view is so slow. So if it breaks this low, then you can continue to see it drop all the way down to, let's say, 0.6. Yeah, it could drop all the way down here, down to these lows. Okay, so NFP, if NFP pushes it down, you know, it could still drop all the way down here and then still rise up, right? But if it breaks 0.6655 area, you know, the lows around there, then we're dropping all the way down. So what's next on our list? How many minutes more do we have for NFP? About 11 minutes more. Let's just say 10. Next on our list is gbpjpy. gbpjpy. Okay. So wait. Let me put gbpjpy on my software so I can get quick analysis. gbpjpy is in some kind of consolidated area. You know, before we took a buy on gbpjpy, our final target was 174.5. It can still go all the way to 175 actually. Okay, it can still go all the way to 175, right? It's in some kind of consolidation here, probably because of NFP, right? So if we're going to see it go short, it's probably going to have to break out of this consolidation and then go all the way down to, let's say, let's see how far it could go. It could go all the way down to 170, okay? Or it has a barrier at 173. So let's put 173 here. And if it drops all the way down, it's gonna go all the way. Let's just say to the lows of 171, right? And drag this one from here. But if it continues to go long, you know, you're not going to make much profit from it. You could say you would take a buy, right? Okay, even if you take a buy and you get lucky and NFP pushes harder, let's say to 175, 175.5, right? Your exit would be the low of the day. Yeah, you're risking about 35 pips, not bad. 4.5 to 1 ratio, but you know, you're praying for extra luck. If you are being realistic, go all the way to 175, and that would be 2.6 to 1 ratio trade. You know, 35 pips or 90 pips is really worth it. Let's go to USD card, or let's just go straight to gold, then USD card. Or what do you guys think? Let's go to USD card first, because the last time I gave a trade on USD card. Okay. Have you guys been enjoying my scalp videos? I'm going to upload another scalp video tomorrow, right? I've been scalping throughout today. The $250 account, I've grown it to over 2,000. Okay, so I've been recording some of those trades, and yeah, I'll be uploading them little by little. I started recording while I was taking the trades, and I think it's more entertaining. Where were we? Let's see. Okay, USD card, right? Now, USD card, we were in some kind of consolidated area, right? And I said before New York session, we need to see it break this high. Obviously, it didn't break this high, so you already know what happens if it doesn't break a zone before the end of New York session. It pushes back, usually, which is why I always say move your stops to break even. We're risking about 11 pips for 100 pips, and we got into about 35 pips in profits, which by then you should have already taken some profits. You should have moved your stop to break even, and it couldn't break this point before the end of New York session and then crash, just like we expected it to. So no entry so far on USD card. Is looking kind of bearish. If we want to, you know, okay, let's see. It's possible to take a sell, but this would be a gamble, you know. Or if you're already in a sell position, let me put this as if you're already in a sell position, your exit could be the high of the day, right? Your entry, wherever you entered, and you could be targeting, let's say 1.335. 5 minutes till NFP, guys. 1.335. So that's about, you know, almost 5 to 1 ratio trade. But no, unless you're already in a trade on USD card. All right, last but not least, because of NFP, the last time I had a live stream with you guys, I told you guys to get your buys in this zone, right? I said it was 50-50 because of NFP. Obviously, NFP can behave anyhow it wants. Once you get into 50 pips in profits, I always tell you, move your stops to break even, so you're risking nothing, take some profits. If you have done that, you let the rest run. We moved into about, let's see, we moved into about 250 pips in profit, right? If you're still holding the trade right now, I'll take close over 70% profits, continue to leave the rest in break even. If you want to increase your final take profits, you could put your final take profit at let's just say 1990. Okay, actually we could have two final take profits, 1990, right? And $2,000. Okay, getting all this analysis from my software. All right, so we could still have furthermore, you know, furthermore 160 pips profit to take. But currently I'm on a sell trade on what do you call it? I'm on a sell trade on gold, right now on one of my accounts. I've put it, okay. I've put, just 1 minute. I want to take a trade. I've put majority of it in break even. Okay. 1 minute. I want to take a trade. 1 minute. All right, so yeah, where was I? I'm just taking a trade, guys, because I saw a trade, because it's quite possible to take a trade all the way here, right, and set your exit at the low of today. This is possible. This is what we'll actually watch all through NFP right now. As NFP is passing, we'll see this trade. You are risking almost 50 pips for about, you know, about 210 pips profit. So if you already made profits this week, you can use this in this trade, and we'll watch how NFP plays out. So we have NFP in the next 1 minute, guys. I'm taking another trade. Okay. So yeah, let's all watch NFP together. NFP is in the next, let's see, 55 seconds. We have about 50 seconds to go. Let's see how this plays out. Less than 15 seconds.
Let's get it. Throw that mask on. When you jump out first, you better blast. Yeah, we don't like slow shit on hits, them switches fast. Ain't gon' lie, the city high with strikers, they don't last. When you pop in with your killers, you better check your gas. What? We don't party on other blocks, they fuck with other ops. Let's get it. Then come around like you gang, they got your brother shot. You say his name inside a song, they got your brother hot. Let's get it. Then leave him hanging without a lawyer, that shit dumb as fuck. You come outside without your gun, little boy, you dumb as fuck. Ain't no quick run to the store, they pop out, fire you up. I told my PO through the gate that I get high as fuck. She asked me how do I get, I told her hashed up. My brother told me get some property, I kept getting glocky. I told him I only drink vodka, he said I'm getting conscious. All them bitches wanna fuck me, I don't get them money. One bitch thought I told her, yeah, I said you better block me. He survived one to the head, but it fucked up his body. You think he off for 8 or red the way that nigga nodded? He don't even know about drugs, he say lean Oxycontin. You trying to judge him off his looks, that little boy actually robbing. Man, he talking about gang getting. He ain't get back for that one shit, man. Gang ain't on shit. Phone them posted up outside. Draco's hanging and shit. Before he died, his death a goofy. Now he famous and shit.
Draco got my name all dreaded, check the relevance. Pussy drop this song about me, he get found without his visa. Sent off a bang by my little cousin, they faking, they'll call it quick. They make me mad enough, I spit through there myself, say the wrong shit. Might still sit when I get low, but I prefer walk over tricks. He up and let me in the door, I went fully on all the sticks. Mr. Slam him out, I caught his back door unlocked on the lick. Or Mr. Lee, no evidence, on my criminal book, hella thick. Oh God, these niggas goose ain't got no gun, you went away, your ass a done. I'm on my 6-month clearly winner, I couldn't wait to get some money. My little nigga of 4 souls, he caught 2 dressed up like a junk. They thought I was just rapping, let it murder guy, and that shit ain't funny. Let it murder guy, that come through, that shit ain't funny. I'm locked in with hundreds from the guard, got killed around the country. Might don't even slam them out, just be yourself and stay 300. Get money Monday through Saturday, pray to trade day every Sunday. My cleats tied up in the field, won't never hear me go out running. Post double peak like I'm in LA, but the whole time I'm in gun. Trying to keep her about this shit you dig, go get active again. Either get 8 on my side, hunt for the drops and go and spin. Green, know we skunking shit, get one more kill, conceal the win. Be with us, won't never lay it till y'all get hit up with them pins. Come around unless you get a body, chopper effing in. Caught one of them pussy drunk, he died before he dropped the head. I got 10 whips in my garage and still don't know what to get in. They call the embers out the catching out the windows before I spin. Brrr.
Let's get it. Throw that mask on when you jump out first, you better blast. Yeah, we don't like slow shit on hits, them switches fast. Ain't gon' lie, the city hot with strikers, they don't last. When you pop in with your killers, you better check your gas. We don't party on other blocks, they fuck with other ops. Let's get it. They come around like you.
Some just coming in.
Charge in connection with propaganda.
All right, guys. So my stream was interrupted some minutes ago. My PC restarted forcefully. So yeah, this was the trade that I took with NFP. I took a buy on usdjpy. I was trying to take another buy. Turns out it wasn't the buy. So this was the account I started with 250. Right? I've made about 2,000 profit on it. Some of them are recorded. I will upload them tomorrow for you guys to watch. Have you been enjoying the scalp video so far? This is what we teach live. Okay, this is what I teach my students live. Some people are saying, oh, they tried hedging before, it didn't work for them. Most of you only know martingale, which means some of you, if it goes up, you buy. If it goes down, you sell. If it goes up, you buy. That's not hedging. You are just doing rubbish and nonsense. But because the rubbish and nonsense didn't work for you, you say, oh, I tried hedging and it didn't work. No problem. Use your support and resistance. Use your stop loss. It's not an argument. If that's what you want to use it by all means. I'm not losing anything from you using that. If it's working for you, then you won't be arguing about it. Plain and simple. You know, at the end of the day, results speaks for itself. If you can't show your results and I can, then whose systems works? And they're always adding more indicators and more indicators and more indicators. If it's working, why do you keep adding and removing your indicators? All right, so I have a quick session with a student very soon. We have to take some live trades. And yeah, gold looks like it's going to, I don't know, it's done manipulating for NFP because it wasn't. Oh, let me share the screen. consolidation, and it looks like it was dropping. I was continue to drop anyways. You know, I just took a trade. Probably started shooting up because of NFP. Finally done with his manipulation and then moved on. You know, so it could continue to drop all the way down back into this zone and continue to drop more and more. If not, you can just expect it. If it breaks into this zone again and breaks out again, then you can expect it to continue to go long. But that will mean on Monday we'll be looking for an entry, right? So till then, like, share, and subscribe. Remember, guys, I'll keep on giving these free signals and analysis till the end of this month. For those who want to continue getting free analysis, I'm going to create a private group. I'll be dropping my Zoom link and we'll be doing this analysis beforehand, way beforehand. And it will be almost every day. Basically, we're trying to make it 5 days a week. If you want to continue to get the free signals and analysis, you can use the broker link that I'm using, Mega Markets, in the description. Make sure you have at least $300 to $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades. And yeah, just send me a screenshot and you'll be added to the group. If you want to use your own broker, then you have to go to hedgingmastermind.com and pay for the 1 year one-time signal fee. If you want to buy the course and learn how to scalp, learn how to hedge, just like the accounts you saw, the 250 I took to 2000, all those scalp trades, I'll be teaching you with live trades, live scalps, live hedging. From the hedging videos you see, we actually do live hedges and we'll do live swing trades. You can get that at hedgingmastermind.com. The software I used to do all those analysis tells me when to buy, when to sell, when to the market trend, when to exit, when to hedge. Not just, oh, if it goes up, you hedge. If it goes down, you hedge. Exactly when and where to hedge. You can go to hedgingmastermind.com if you want to buy the course. With that being said, we'll meet next week, Monday, for more trades and profits in the markets. Share, comment, and click the notification bells on.